Welcome back. In our last lesson, we added transitions to create a smooth flow between our slides. Now, we're going to zoom in and add motion to the individual elements on our slides. This is called animation. But let me be very clear. The primary purpose of animation in a business presentation is not to make things fly around the screen for fun. The purpose is to control the flow of information. Imagine a slide with 5 bullet points. If you show them all at once, your audience will read all 5 points while you are still talking about the first one. By animating your list, you can reveal 1 point at a time, keeping your audience perfectly in sync with you. How to apply a simple animation. Let's learn how to do this. 1. First, you must select the object you want to animate, whether it's a text box, a picture, or a shape. 2. Then, go to the Animations tab on the ribbon. You'll see a gallery of animations, grouped into categories: entrance, emphasis, and exit. For controlling information flow, we will focus on simple entrance effects. The best ones are appear, fade, and fly in. When you apply an animation, a small number will appear next to the object, indicating the order in which it will animate. Animating bulleted lists. Animating a bulleted list is where this skill really shines. After you apply an animation like appear to a text box containing a list, look for the Effect Options button on the ribbon. Click it, and you can choose whether the text box animates as one object all at once, or by paragraph, 1 bullet point at a time. Choosing by paragraph is the key to revealing your points one by one.
Let's put this powerful tool into practice. 1. Go to your agenda slide, which should have a bulleted list. 2. Click to select the entire text box that contains your agenda items. 3. Go to the Animations tab and choose the Appear animation. 4. Now, click the Effect Options button and change the setting from as one object to by paragraph. 5. Next, go to a slide where you have a picture. Select the picture. 6. Apply the fade animation to it. 7. Start the slideshow on your agenda slide. Notice how the slide starts blank, and each time you click, a new agenda item appears. This puts you in complete control.
Fantastic! You now understand the professional purpose of animation, to control the flow of information and keep your audience focused. By revealing 1 point at a time, you become a more effective and persuasive presenter. We've added motion to our presentation. In our final lesson for this module, we'll learn how to embed multimedia, like audio and video files. I'll see you there.